Dear students, I am one of your teachers from Government Girls High School, Wilgam. I am once again today with you through this offline class with your social science subject. You are welcome in this class. You know that these days we are reading the geography part of your social science subject. The book is India Contemporary. Our chapter is chapter 3 from this book, Drainage. In previous lectures, I told you many things about this chapter, about the drainage and the drainage system in India. Today, I am going to tell you some more points about this topic. The things are also clearly written on the screen. You can also read it. You can note it on your notebooks. I have tried to put my today's lecture in the form of a question answer so as to make things to the point, precise and clear as per the syllabus of this book. And this question is rather one of your textual questions. This will also help you by the examination point of view. And with the same, I will try to define things, discuss things for you here in this session. You can clearly see on the screen question number 4. Discuss the significant difference between the Himalayan and the peninsular rivers. You know that we have various types of rivers in the world, maybe in our area, locality, or in our state, UT, or in our country. Here we have to discuss things with regard to our country, India. So we have been asked here, we have to mention a significant, a major difference, a clear difference between the Himalayan rivers and the peninsular rivers. Those rivers which directly come from Himalayan range of mountains and those which come from the peninsular areas. Here we have not to name these rivers, but we have to give a significant difference between them. Now you can see on the screen clearly question number 4 answer. The significant difference between the Himalayan and the peninsular rivers can be given as under. We can give this significant difference of these rivers as under. Clearly, to the point. Himalayan rivers. First of all, we will try to see. These are perennial rivers, receive water from rains and snowfall. So here we see these are actually the perennial rivers and these receive water from rains and snowfall. As per the Himalayan rivers are concerned, these receive water from either rains or from snowfall. When there is snowfall, it collects on the mountains, it makes the glaciers, and so it's preserved under the companionship, under the company of these mountains. So this provides the water for these Himalayan rivers. So the main source for these Himalayan rivers is rains and snowfall. Now we will try to see peninsular rivers. These are seasonal rivers. These are seasonal. Those are perennial. These are seasonal. Dependent on rainfall. These are also dependent on rainfall. So when there's rain, these rivers are there. During dry seasons, the rivers get dried up. So if there isn't rain, these rivers aren't there. But as per the Himalayan ones are concerned, those are dependent on snowfall and rains. So I already told you that the snow is collected and the company of these mountains in the form of glaciers, etc. And when there are also rains, this provides water for these Himalayan rivers. But here the case is otherwise. The peninsular rivers are dependent on rains. When there are rains, these rivers are live. When there isn't rain, these rivers get dried up. This is a significant difference. There can be other minor differences between these range of rivers, but here we were asked to mention the significant difference that we mentioned. This is the significant difference between these rivers. I think this is sufficient for today. This was a beautiful question, no doubt a short question, but a beautiful question that we answered beautifully. I hope that you will take the advantage of this. You will write this on your notebook. You will listen this in my voice. And also you can read this on the screen. I'll be once again with you, inshallah, with more information about this chapter, about this topic. This time I'm leaving you again with the advice that take care of your time, of your health, be in touch with your books. Try to build a spirit of helping each other. Take moral lessons from the present circumstances. Also, honor good SOPs, stay home, stay safe, stay blessed. This time I'm leaving you. I will be once again, inshallah, with you. Thanks for listening me. Have a nice time ahead. Bye.